Hi, this is Richard with a tutorial on how to use the Urban Grocery Delivery System and the great features that are included. Today's tutorial is on entering a new customer and a new order. So here we're logged into the system back end as an administrator, and we can see that there are selections here for enter new customer and enter new order. So let's go ahead and put in a customer first. This would be, for instance, if a customer calls you on the phone and you want to enter the customer manually versus someone ordering online. So let's enter Jane Smith. Her email will be jane@smith.com. Address is 1234 Main Street. Address 2, none. City, Des Moines. State, Iowa. Zip, I'm not sure, but we'll put here. Okay, your phone will be 868-543-1828. Company, if any. How did the customer hear about you? Payment type. We could put here credit, and then we'll put the customer's credit card here. In this case, I'm not going to actually enter a credit card number, but you will put it here. $2020 security code. Oops, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now you may or may not enter the password. So if the customer is calling on the telephone, very likely they're not using a computer for some reason. But if maybe they just need a little help and you want to enter a password for them temporarily, you could enter the password here. So for instance, we could put a password in, and then they could temporarily, and they could log in and change that password. Or if they're not going to be using the system online, you don't have to enter the password. We'll just put one in here. Okay, so now we can submit this customer, and they're going to be entered as a new customer. Now if we were going to enter another one, we click this enter next customer before putting that customer in there. Okay, so next we're going to go ahead and enter an order. Now if the customers are already in the system, of course you don't have to use enter new customer. So using this screen you can enter a new order. So what you're going to do here is start typing the customer's last name to bring up a list of customers in the system. So here we see the customer just entered, Jane Smith. It'll fill in that in for you. Put whether this is a residence or business customer. And if on this order the customer is using any coupon code. The delivery date. So we're going to make this so delivery date, we'll make it Friday, and we'll make it, and choose a delivery time. We'll choose 1 to 3 p.m. Well, the customer probably doesn't need confirmation by telephone since they're calling you. Any tip and any notes. So now we can enter this order here by selecting this button. So next we would just go to the order screen here, and we'll see that there's an order here for Jane Smith. Click on view or enter order, and now we can enter the customer's items. So if the customer has like a custom order form, which you can print out using this button here where it says custom list, of course this customer hasn't ordered anything so there's no list, then they can give you the item numbers. But if, say, they're a brand new customer, maybe they're someone who doesn't use a computer for some reason, or elderly person, something like that, then, or they just don't use a computer, then you could enter their, or they just want help on their order, you can, look up items here. For instance, you could find any product. Like if they wanted, say eggs, we could search for the products here. And we should put the active products. Actually, we use tag active. Usually we use a tag field. In some instances tag 2, but that's the usual default. So we could show whatever eggs are active in the system. So we'll choose this, choose the product, and then put the quantity. And then you could save here, or you can also save here. Or you can also hit the F9 key on your keyboard. And then you'll be ready to look, for the next item for the customer in a similar way. Okay, so that's how you can enter a new customer and enter a new order. One of the nice features about Urban Grocery Delivery System, it does allow you to enter phone orders or orders for customers where you could enter the order for them. So that's a very nice feature. So that's what we'd wanted to cover in this video. We also do see there is an enter new order button here on the order screen, and also if we happen to be on the customer screen here, there's also enter new customer button, but they're also conveniently right here for you. Okay, thanks for watching, and next time we'll cover another great feature of the Urban Grocery Delivery System. I'm your host, Richard Urban, and we will see you next time.